हे गाइस, सो वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। एक ह्यूज प्रोजेक्ट पे हम लोग आज, अनदर अवध प्रोजेक्ट लोकेटेड एट नवसारी, मेन मार्केट के पास में है। एंड दिस इज़ अ ह्यूज हाउस, यू नो, बंगलो और मैंशन, आप कुछ भी बोल सकते हो उसको। जस्ट लुक एट द साइज ऑफ दिस, कितना बड़ा है, वहाँ तक है, पूरा एंड तक है अपना। ओनली वन अवेलेबल, ओनली वन ऑफ दिस काइंड। जस्ट लुक एट द साइज। वाइड एंगल में शूट कर रहा हूँ तो आपको थोड़ा सब कुछ मतलब एक फ्रेम में सेटल हो जाए, इसके लिए मैं वाइड एंगल यूज़ कर रहा हूँ। अदरवाइज़ एक फ्रेम में तो आएगा भी नहीं है घर। ठीक है, सो लेट्स गो इनसाइड, लेट्स एक्सप्लोर। 400 स्क्वायर यार्ड का है ये बंगलो और मैंशन। कार पार्किंग, सर्वेंट क्वार्टर के लिए अलग से एंट्रेंस दिया हुआ है फॉर योर सर्वेंट्स। Gated entrance again from the car parking. Fully furnished unit है. All the furniture which you are seeing, you're going to get that. This will be the entrance to our villa. This is the swimming pool. Huge. स्विमिंग पूल के साइड की सीटिंग भी अवेलेबल है। पूरा कांच का यहाँ पे आउटर किया हुआ है। This is your side garden space. ये एक बड़ा सा सीटिंग दिया हुआ है, झूला है। एंड देन दिस इज़ योर चेंज रूम स्विमिंग पूल के लिए। एंड वो अपना वो पूल का मोटर वगैरह रखा हुआ है वहाँ पे क्लीनिंग के लिए एंड ऑल। फिल्ट्रेशन प्लांट। जस्ट लुक एट दिस, हाउ ब्यूटीफुल दिस लुक्स। कितना ह्यूज है अपना पूरा मैंशन, देखिए। As it is, you're going to get this as it is. Let's give this one more look from here. Again wide mode है, जिससे कि सब कुछ एक फ्रेम में आए, अदरवाइज एक फ्रेम में लाना पॉसिबल भी नहीं है। Let's go inside. So अंदर आते ही फर्स्ट इज योर लिविंग रूम, फुली फर्निश्ड अगेन, along with the appliances, everything as it is. Good height. यहाँ से आपका कार पार्किंग दिखेगा, विंडो फॉर वेंटिलेशन। यहाँ से आपका पूल व्यू दिखेगा। सी फ्रॉम हियर। This is the master bedroom on the ground floor. Attached toilet, luxurious. Well built cupboards. पूरा फर्नीचर वर्क डन है, ऐसे ही मिलेगा आपको। This particular unit is available only. Otherwise, everything is sold out in the project. Only one of this kind is available. Just giving one more look to the bedroom. Very spacious. TV है हर रूम में, beddings हैं, everything is there, you know. छोटा सा पूजा एरिया आप यूज कर सकते हो यहाँ पे। This was our living room this was from where we entered. Living room, master bedroom here, and then यहाँ का view देखो, family sitting. I'll just open this curtain so that you can, you know, have a look at how this looks. Yep. Okay. Again, starting from back. Okay. So family sitting, luxurious again. यहाँ से आपको अपना पूल डेक दिखेगा, स्विमिंग पूल दिखेगा। अगेन वो भी विंडो फ्रेम पूरा ऑल अलोंग रन होता है वहाँ तक। दिस इज योर डाइनिंग स्पेस। pool area, common toilet, kitchen, luxurious again. As it is, you are going to get this. It's a ready to move property. यहाँ से you can access your personal sitting area beside the pool. Kitchen, gas stove, drawers well built. Microwave oven. Side by side refrigerator. Breakfast table or the serving table you can call it. Again storage यहाँ पे भी available है. See, बहुत ही luxurious concept है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा luxurious है. I think this is the most luxurious property I'm covering in my YouTube videos. Store दिया है यहाँ पे. बैक साइड जाना हो तो यहाँ से आप एक्सेस कर सकते हो. Here, wash area. That is the other entrance, small entrance given at the back. Just look at this, how huge this is. वो हमारा living room था, then we came here, family sitting, dining space, and then finally the kitchen. Store room, swimming pool. This is the common toilet. Family seating again. Deck area. यहाँ से we can access the first floor. This is again a small area at the back. Utilities. A cupboard. Going to the first floor. See this passage. Luxurious bedrooms. This is the entrance. Sofa seating. Bed. Almost a bedroom over here in the washroom. Just see how huge the washroom is. Look at the size, wow, mesmerizing. This is your shelf area, like your dressing area you can call it. You can use it for makeups or dressing, multi-purpose again. Wow, it's mesmerizing. So luxurious, wow. Just look at the size of the bedroom again. Wow. This is the window for ventilation. Here. It's the passage area. And then here we have the balcony as well. See. Along with seating. Again, ऐसा ही मिलेगा आपको सब कुछ, furnished मिलेगा. Only one is available in the entire project. Just look at this space. Let's go inside and then check the other bedroom as well. Luxurious again. This was the entrance. See, this was the entrance. Reception area in the room. It's like a suite room, you know. So seating here, and then here comes your bedroom. Window for ventilation. And then again the luxurious concept of washrooms. just like you see in Bollywood movies, you know, very luxurious. Wow, so beautiful it is. Your deck area on the first floor. Damn good. Wow, beautiful. Let's just give it one more look from here. यहाँ से entrance था bedroom का. First is your reception area, like your lounge area, and then your bedroom over there. Your deck area. Wow, so beautiful. Everything is done. Move-in unit है ये. Let's go to the second floor. Again, that same passage over here. This is your personal family theater, home theater, recliners over here, soundproof. This is your screen on which you can, you know, you have the projector set up over here, AC, everything is there, soundproof. You can watch your movies over here. This is entirely private theater for you. From here you can access the terrace area. Gazebo sitting available. This was our house, a mansion. Look at this space. Wow. I think this is the most beautiful mansion or villa or bungalow which I've covered on my channel. For sure. That is the Rajan's theater, movie theater over there. You don't need to go over there because you have a private home theater inside your house, inside your mansion. Projector again, split AC, your screen, private home theater, and everything is done over here. Like music भी बहुत अच्छा है. It's very good. This is your toilet area, washroom attached with the home theater. Recliner seats, lighting in the background. Wow, luxury at its best. Okay, let's explore this bedroom. So huge, man. Just look at the size of the bedroom, man. Wow. ये आपका वही seating area हो गया. This is the washroom. Luxury again at its best. Just look at the height. कितना बड़ा washroom है. Just look at this. Wow. Amazing. Look at this bedroom. 5-star hotels में भी इतना बड़ा bedroom नहीं होता है. Personal bar area or your, so you can set up a small kitchen and a bar area as well in the bedroom. This is the bedroom. Just look at the height over here. Wow. Look at this. Amazing. So one bedroom on the ground floor, 2 on the first floor, 1 on the second floor, and all are luxurious 7-star type bedrooms. Everything is so perfect in here. Home theater. Wow. Let's see what we get on the third floor. So यहाँ पे अगेन पैसेज एरिया है पूरा, यूटिलिटीज़ के लिए, मतलब वायरिंग एंड ऑल वो सब है उधर. टेरेस, sunset at the background. This was our gazebo sitting over here. होम थिएटर के साथ जो था वो अपना पूल एरिया है. All throughout there अपना यूनिट है पूरा. Our mansion this is. This is the best. Wow. Surprise, surprise. One more terrace area. ये अपना वो शेप होता है ना ऊपर हट का, वो दिया है यहाँ पे. दिस इज़ अगेन योर टेरेस एरिया, दिस मच. एंड देन वो वाटर वगैरह सेटअप पूरा ऊपर है. ऑटोमेटिक रहता है, एवरीथिंग इज़ ऑटोमेटिक इन एयर. वाटर लेवल एक मेंटेन रहेगा हमेशा ऑल थ्रू ऑफ द डे. Let's give everything one more look. Call me on the number below as soon as possible to get this unit. Otherwise, it will be gone for sure. This was the luxury bedroom. Let's give everything one more look. Luxury washroom, attached bar area. Personal home theater. Let's quickly go down. Master bedroom, reception area, lounge area. Then the bedroom over here. Personal deck area. Deck again. Bedroom. Okay, let's go down to the ground floor. Just look at this space. Wow, mesmerizing. Call me on the number below as soon as possible. Otherwise, it will be gone. Thank you. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.